Hi, my name's Paula, and I'm with the Morinville Centennial Community Garden Society. Normally in April, we host a really cool Earth Day workshop at the library. This year, we have to do things a little different, and that's okay. So we decided that we were going to show you guys how to make some homemade bird feeders so you can feed the birds this spring. When you learn to appreciate some of the creatures in nature, you'll learn to respect them, and then you'll want to do more to protect, everything in nature. All right, so here is what's in the kit. You are going to find a paper towel roll it's been punched with holes. You are going to find a spruce cone, pine cone. I'm not sure what species this is, but it's something from nature. You are also going to find 2 pieces of twine that you will use to tie. You're going to find some bird seed. And you are going to find some nut butter. I think this is a sunflower seed butter that you will use to spread. Some of the things that you will need from home is you are going to need a bowl, any size bowl. You're going to need either a knife, a spatula, and you will need a microwave because you will want to microwave your sunflower seed butter for about 10 to 15 seconds until you are able to spread it. All right, so we're going to start with, once this has been already cooked in the microwave, so it's all ready to go. I'm going to open it up. I'm also going to put the bird seed into my bowl so I can easily stick it to. And then I'm going to start with the paper towel roll. This is just cardboard, so it will decompose when you're done with it. I'm going to take my spatula, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to spread the butter onto here. And hopefully it sticks. You can kind of see it's kind of oily, but that's okay. Put a little bit, and sometimes you might want to get a little cloth because it's going to get dirty. And once you've covered it, all you're going to do is you're going to take it, and then you are going to try and get the bird seeds to stick. I'm going to keep spreading a little bit more of this nut butter everywhere to get it all covered as much as I can. Sometimes you just have to do that. What you might find, you might have to stick it in the fridge for it to set a little bit better. And then once you've done that, you're going to take your string, one of your strings, one of the twines, and you're going to put it through that hole. And you might have to get your mom and dad to help you with this. The twine's a little bit tough to get through that little tiny hole. And then you're just going to tie it up with a knot, like so. And then now it is ready to hang in your tree. So the next I'm going to show you, if you have any left over, or if you want to go get some peanut butter from your cupboard, or any other butter. If you're allergic to peanut butter, you can use any other butter. There's no nut butter, there's pea butter, there's almond butter, there's all sorts of different types of butter. But if you have leftover, what you're going to do is you're going to take it, and you can try doing the pine cone or the spruce cone, whatever I can't remember what I put in your kits. And all you're going to do is you're going to paint it on the outside of this. And then once you've done it, you dip it in the seed like so, and it should all stick like so. I'm going to just do the other side right now. It seems to be really extra, not wanting to stick too well. but it smells really good. I'm sure the birds will love it. And then all you're gonna do is roll it. This one's really good. You see that? It's all covered with bird seed. And once you've done that, it's all covered, and when you've done what you wanted to do, you take your twine, and all you do is you wrap it around like so. You might have to tie it a little bit closer. You might have to tie a knot first, and then tie a knot around the cone, and then tie another knot on top of here. And so now you can hang it in the tree. Just like that. So one thing you want to keep in mind is that you don't want to feed birds bread. And the reason why is bread doesn't offer any nutrients to the birds or the ducks. If you throw bread into the ponds for the ducks, the bread will kind of get moldy, and then it'll make the animals sick, the fish and the birds sick. So the best food for the birds is bird seeds. You got grapes, lettuce, peas, anything else, but no bread. So now you know how to now you got your homemade bird feeder. You can go take it outside and hang it on a tree, hang it on a branch, wherever you think the birds will be able to see it and snack off of it. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you get to see lots of birds this spring. And happy Earth Day.